Let me ask you something, honestly. How many times have you said to yourself, one day I will start a YouTube channel? Not today, not this week, but one day. And here's the truth. It's not laziness, it's not age, it's fear. Today I want to expose 10 questions seniors quietly ask themselves before starting a YouTube channel and give you the real answers no one ever gave you. After 16 episodes in our training, Retirees and YouTube My Journey, I'm sure you have a lot of questions and doubts. So in today's episode, we'll go through the 10 most frequent questions. We will go through them one by one. If no one applies to you, stay to the end, where the absolute most frequent question will be analyzed in detail and for sure applies to you as well. So let's dive into it. Question number 10 on the list is, what if I fail? But guess what? Not trying is a guaranteed failure. Trying gives growth, trying gives pride, and pride matters at this stage of life. We all fail when starting something new. It's part of the journey, so to say. With all the resources available to you, you will get all the help you need to get the wrong things corrected. Failing is not the end, but a way to learn what's not working. So view failures as something that will get you one step closer to the success you're aiming for. Question number 9. Is it too late to matter? This isn't about YouTube. It's about purpose. Be honest with yourself. If you are alive, it's not too late. I have had my YouTube for years back, but I didn't work actively with the channel until 2 years ago, at the age of 71, because I learned that YouTube is the fastest social media among us seniors. It has been a fantastic journey where I have made a lot of mistakes, but also a journey where I have learned a lot. So if you truly view YouTube as an interesting social media, it's never too late, my friend. Now to number 8 of the most frequent questions. I can't be consistent. Consistency doesn't mean daily. One video a week, as I do. Even once every 2 weeks. Consistency means returning. If you see YouTubers uploading videos daily, don't worry. It's their strategy. Consistency is key on YouTube. YouTube's algorithm will notice that you are serious and will start promoting your videos. Question number 7. What will my family think? This could be a tough one, I'm sure about that. Don't ask your family to sign up for your channel. They will never give you the correct feedback. Instead, actively target the group of people, unknown people, who belongs to the niche you are targeting. They will give you the approval you are searching for, and approval is important. You will have a complete different conversation with them than with your family. And such conversation will help you to grow your channel, and growth earns respect. When your family sees that your channel is growing, they will show genuine respect and even admiration. Similar to the previous question is question number 6. Do I want to be seen? Let's be honest here. None of us is a Hollywood movie star, and being a YouTuber doesn't pretend to compete with Tom Cruise or Meryl Streep. Yes, it takes some time to feel comfortable on camera. As everything in life, it's about training. And with training, you get experience. No one expects you to show up as an experienced actor. It's all about presence. And presence is a contribution. After more than 400 videos uploaded, I have learned 2 things I always stick to. The first one is to be alone when shooting my videos. By not having people around you, automatically you will let all your personality come out naturally. The second one is to use a teleprompter. In episode 7, we are talking about teleprompters and how to use them. Remember, being seen is not ego. It's about connecting with your audience. Question number 5. What if nobody watches? Remember this, every channel starts at 0. The question is not how many views you get, it's the impact you make with your video. If only one person listens to you, you matter. Actively go through the analytics YouTube provides you with. It will give you excellent information on what's working and what doesn't. As we mentioned in episode 5, the way you structure your video is crucial to get people watching. It's a step-by-step learning process you have to go through. If your latest video only got 5 views and your next video gets, let's say, 10, you are improving. Every YouTube channel is unique. Don't compare with others, but how is your channel developing? Now we're approaching the top 3 on the question list. And number 3 is, I'm bad with technology. The technology syndrome we baby boomers all have in some way or another, I would say, is holding too many people back to even give it a try. But do you still line up at the bank to make simple transactions? How do you book tickets? Online, right? Without noticing, you are already involved in the digital technology. Yes, you have to learn how to do it, but it wasn't that difficult, or? And that's the point. Technology online doesn't require an engineering degree, but the willingness to dive into it. The same goes for YouTube. There are a lot of things you have to learn. The reason why we made this training series, especially tailored for us retirees. You don't need master technology, but the willingness to learn and outlast all confusions. The second most asked question is, what if I look foolish? This is not about how you look at your video, it's about how you perform. By being yourself, people will see you as somebody who has an important message. Again, don't compare with famous movie stars, but how your message is delivered. Everyone looks awkward at first. That's normal. Many seniors fear losing dignity by showing up on a video as a complete beginner. But dignity doesn't come from perfection, it comes from courage. And courage is respected at any age. Now, my friend, the most frequent question seniors have, and sadly I would say, holds most people back from getting started with their YouTube channel. Am I too old? If your goal is fame as a movie star, yes, maybe you are too old. But if your goal is meaning, connection, contribution, your age is your advantage. All your life experience, your skills, your knowledge is something younger people lack. Use that unique asset as your key point for your channel. Don't try to be perfect. People don't trust perfection. They trust experience. So of all these 10 questions seniors are raising, brainwash yourself once and for all. You are not too old. If I at age 73, well, almost 74, can do it, you can too. If you can relate to any of these 10 questions, or maybe to all of them, comment below which one concerns you the most, and let's talk about it. This was the last episode of this training series, at least for weekly regular publications. As online marketing and YouTube in particular is a never-ending story, I will upload new episodes, but more on an irregular schedule when I find something valuable to share. Therefore, look after that you have signed up to my channel to get notifications when something new is coming. All the best, my friend, with your YouTube channel, and let's stay in contact.